Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Here in the video, we will talk about Zoom error code 3078. It's a common hiccup that users sometimes stumble upon, and it simply means that Zoom services are not available in your location. But don't fret, solutions are at hand. First off, it's important to identify whether your country has access to Zoom. The platform is restricted in some nations, including Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Syria, and the Ukraine. If you're trying to join a meeting from these areas, you'll need a workaround like a virtual private network or proxy. However, if Zoom services are available in your country but you're still encountering this error, it's likely due to your VPN settings. If you've selected a restricted country or region, simply switch back to a location where Zoom is accessible. Still no luck? Try disabling your VPN entirely. If the error persists, it's time to reach out to the Zoom support team. There may be a glitch with your Zoom application causing this problem. Before you get in touch, ensure that your Zoom application is up to date. They have a skilled team of technicians ready to assist. Finally, if all else fails, consider using an alternative to Zoom. There are plenty of other video conferencing platforms out there that offer similar features. In summary, Zoom error code 3078 can be a bit of a nuisance, but it's not insurmountable. Whether it's adjusting your VPN settings, reaching out to Zoom support, or exploring other video conferencing platforms, there are viable solutions to keep you connected. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.